Yes, good day to you all. I have observed this thing, but I've always wanted to say it, but sometimes it escapes your mind and your memory. Why do Yorubas hate Cubana chief priest so much? I have come to realize recently that the hatred against Cubana chief priest, Igbo man, is too much. And I sat down to ask myself this simple question. Why do they hate Cubana? They started by saying, arresting him that he was spraying money. They came again in VI where he has his eatery. They arrested him and they lock up the place that he was making little sound. There are a lot of eateries that makes a lot of noise or club. They didn't lock all those on just because he's an Igbo man. They say that he's arrogant. They say that he throws money around. They say, how did he make his money? These are the unanswered question they put up. Do you understand? So, but the point is very simple. It's just his relationship with Davido, because they feel that why should Davido love Cubana chief priest to that extent, bring him everywhere he goes, in private jet, in his homes, traveling, doing things together, traveling up and down. This is just envy and jealous. This is the only thing I could fathom from their hatred. I see no other reason. You understand? That is the reason why they don't even like Davido the way they love whiskey. They love whiskey because whiskey in the past was very skeptical. It's for me. It's not stable. Last time he was supporting the federal government, that the federal government is doing well, trying to cover them. But recently, he came up to say that the reason why he does not refer his fans to politicians because he doesn't trust any of them. So, but now he came out and said that the things are very difficult. People hardly eat. Do you understand? So he cannot run away when things are hard. Everybody is going to see it. You understand? So this is what has been going on. So if you are an Igbo man, wherever you are, you think that the Yoruba person love you, you are deceiving yourself. Yorubas hate Igbo people with passion for no reason. Your mother hates Igbo person, then your mother and your father, they will tell you have to hate them. They are if you ask your father and your mother, whom do they buy, whom do they kill? They cannot give you any answer. You understand? There's this recent one, him, FFK, Fani Kayode, he's a chameleon, big chameleon. You don't have to trust him. Now he has left politics, he has entered church. Everywhere they open church, they draw Igbo people to come and finance the church. Like they have done in Winners, they have done in Redeem. Igbo people keep moving everywhere foolishly to go and spend their money. Instead of going to Igbo church, they start to go Yoruba church that they don't have any solution to any problem. They don't have. So stop going to their churches. Let's see if there is any Yoruba person that can bring out 5 million, to sponsor you in any of your church. No Yoruba young guy will ever. Are they stupid? They can never do that. It's only Igbo people. You understand? At the end of the day, after doing that, they will still hate you. And that's the funny thing. You understand? Even the ones living in abroad, the ones that live in abroad, they are more deadlier than the ones who home. We know that the ones who home, what their young boys do is to stand on the street, extort money, harass people, and steal money from them. Most of them are criminals, local criminals. You understand? Like their international counterpart, the 419 own, the credit card fraud guys, Yorubas, everywhere, London, America, everywhere. We know them. So if you're an Igbo man and you are very close to Yoruba person, watch your back. They don't love you. What they are looking for is that thing they will grab from you. They will prostrate, lie down and call you, hey, chairman, toilet. It's just to take that money from you. There is no love. There is no love from a Yoruba person. Do you get what I'm saying? So you ask yourself, why do they hate Igbo people? They can never give you any reason. I was in Lagos when I was 10 years. I came to Lagos when I was 10 years, till my age. You understand? I saw the hatred in Idumota. I saw from Saleko. I saw they are beggars. In the morning, they will come out, they beg for food. We give them. My uncles, my brothers, we give them. They started to be envious. When you give them today, they will come tomorrow. They will start to make it like it's by force. And Omonile. You are Omonile. Go to America and do Omonile. Go to London and do Omonile. Go to East and do Omonile. Go to North and do Omonile. Hatred is not going to help you, Yorubas. And being a chameleon will never help you. That is the reason why Tinubu is not doing well. It's a terrible government. Instead of Yoruba young youth to come out and condemn the ruling that is autocratic and the dictatorship kind of, they keep quiet. Many of them are still supporting the evil that is going on in that country. And tomorrow they say they want new Nigeria. Where will you get fucking new Nigeria? There is nothing like new Nigeria. I have said it several times. You think I'm joking? There is nothing like new Nigeria. All what you're going to get is failure, failure, failure. It is a high time Yorubas, young people, old people come out and condemn the... If an Igbo man, look at Chief Priest, when he moved to Lagos, I castigated him. Why should you leave your region and go to Lagos? I did. Like I know, immediately he got there, they arrested him for spraying money, they locked his eatery that he was making noise. You understand? That's typical Yoruba people, envy. You understand? So if you don't know, you think that they love you. They never loved you, and they will never condemn what is not good. Condemn it. I don't mean you should go and buy anybody. Just say, Tinubu, you are not doing well. People are hungry. People are dying. Say it so that he will also understand that his people is not supporting his kind of ruling. But keeping quiet means that you accept every nonsense he's doing. He's doing nonsense. Nothing is working, you know, and you see it. Most of you in abroad are sending money. Your mother and your father is calling you every day. Your brothers, and you are sending money. Are you not suffering? Can't you see it if the way they call you? So this is what we are saying. Don't follow Yoruba people. If you want to do something, do it silently. Yorubas are saboteurs. They are bigots. They will never face the reality. But they will be talking from behind. We Igbos, we are not like that. My message is very simple. Cubana Chief Priest, the reason why they hate you is because you are very close with Davido. That's the only reason. There's no other reason. Davido is not feeding you. Davido is not giving you money to do your business. Davido didn't start business for you. Only that you people attracted each other and the relationship is very rosy and going good. That's the only reason. That's the only fault you have committed. But the only thing I will tell you, put yourself together. You are in good terms with Davido, no doubt. Be careful with other Yorubas. You are an Igbo person. If you are an Igbo person, be careful with Yorubas. They don't love you and they will never love you. I just want to stop here. I don't want to talk too much. That's the only reason why I'm here. Just to caution Cubana Chief Priest for him to know that these people, this tribe, they hate him so much. And also, too many friends you are keeping around you, mind you that many that comes close don't love you. They are just loving you because the money you are throwing around. Immediately that money is done, they will bounce. That's just people for you. So anything you are doing, make sure you do it from your heart. If you are losing that money, you know it's only going to pay you. But outside that, do things in a very strong way like Igbo man. Don't give a damn. Don't give damn for anybody. Yorubas don't like you. They don't love you. They don't even like any Igbo man. They are only interested in their money. That's it. So people, be good. If you're a Yoruba person and what I said, you don't accept, you don't agree with me, come to the comment section. But I know it's not every Yoruba that hates Igbo people, but very minute number of their population. The rest hate Igbo people. They may not come out and say it, but they are doing it in the secret, and we can see it. So take a look. Come to comment section. If you are too, angry, come there and meet me. I shall be waiting. Goodbye.